Phoenix Home Care and Hospice. I choose Phoenix.
Hello and welcome to Why It Matters, a conversation brought to you by Phoenix Home Care and Hospice. Why It Matters shares tips and techniques to having happy, healthy lifestyles. I'm very excited that our guest today is Amanda Brown. She's the owner of 417 Pet Sitting. Amanda, tell us what the 3 benefits of owning a pet are.
Well, of course it brings joy, which will reduce stress and blood pressure, but it also gives people a sense of purpose, and it also keeps them active, particularly when they have dogs.
Sure, dogs can enrich lives and add so much joy and value to a life. What would a person look for in a good pet, in a good fit between them and a pet? What would be some things?
First of all, you have to look at lifestyle. So if you have a very sedentary lifestyle, you would want a dog that doesn't need lots and lots of activity.
Okay.
If you are someone who's in a patio home or a smaller space without a yard, again, you want a dog that doesn't need a large yard to run in or long walks to burn off activity. So
Sure.
it's all about the lifestyle that you lead, like how much are you gone, how much are you coming and going, do you have people frequenting your home so you need to worry about whether or not a cat or a dog could possibly get out the front door. So really you need to look at your lifestyle and of course your budget.
And the dog's lifestyle, and make that wonderful marriage
Yes.
between the
Yes.
two. Good job.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So pet therapy is a very hot topic today, and we know that pets can not only just add joy and enrich lives, but actually help have healthier lives.
Yes.
So what would you look for when looking at pet therapy? Who's a good candidate for pet therapy?
Good candidates are those who have anxiety issues, who have separation issues, those who even have health concerns such as diabetes or stroke. It's not just seeing eye dogs that are used as
Sure.
therapy anymore. And there's 2 different varieties. There's the therapy dogs that are trained to assist, like seeing eye dogs, those that can help those with diabetes, those can help those that have seizure issues. And then there are the emotional support animals, ESAs, which are great for those who have chronic pain, depression, separation issues, and anxiety issues.
Fantastic. So how can we use 417 Pet Sitting to help us be successful with owning a dog or owning a pet?
Well, obviously, if someone's going to be absent from their home, if they're visiting family or out of town on travel, we are happy to go over to the home to take care of their pets while they're away as well as their home. But on a day-to-day basis, with winter particularly, we don't want our elderly risking breaking a hip, slipping on the ice, or even being out in the inclement weather. So we can go over to the home and do daily dog walks. Also, for patients that are dealing with dementia or memory issues, a lot of times the kids will ask us to go check on the dog or cat, and we can pop in, feed and water the dog, change the kitty litter, ask mom or dad, hey, have you taken your medicine today? Have you eaten? Did you want a glass of water? Just little questions that are very inconspicuous, and they don't feel like their kids are constantly checking up on them.
That's great. And you know, we know at Phoenix Home Care and Hospice, staying in your own home is critically important
Yes.
to the value of your life and your own personal dignity. So we
Absolutely.
thank you today for being our guest on Why It Matters.
Thank you for
A
having me.
conversation brought to you by Phoenix Home Care and Hospice. We thank Amanda Brown and 417 Pet Sitting. We'll see you next time on Why It Matters.
Phoenix Home Care and Hospice. I choose Phoenix.